Hello friends, welcome back in Mizan. In this video we'll learn how you can give review and rating once you have ordered some product from Draz. You are satisfied from the product, you can give rating so the other customer can view your rating and decide what to buy the product or to not, because there are many fake sellers. So if you got the product as it is better to give the review to the seller, and you will also earn some of the free coins by giving the review. So let's start how you can give the review. Open the Draz application, go to my account and go to the to review option in my order. So click to the review options. So once you will click to the review option, so you are seeing that the four product that have recently purchased, the review option is still there. So I have got the product as it is, so I want to review this dancing cactus cartoon. So first of all I will select the rating 5 and then seller services and the delivery services. They're also excellent, so you can even add photos and videos and you can add written reviews. So I am adding the written review. So you can write any of the text that you want according to your order. So now I have written some of the orders. So add written reviews. So description same as shown. So value for money and the genuine product and helpful seller. So any of the uh, options you can check mark and simply click on the submit. Your review will be submitted. So now I am clicking on the submit. So you are seeing that thank you for your feedback. So review is submitted. The very soon it will be published to the seller. So there are first of all reviews, the customer review what they have written, then they publish the review. So you can see check my review and back to home. So I'm checking my review, so it is leave or not. So you can see that the my all of the reviews are there. So now we are going to review another product. So I'm reviewing this product. So same case you have to do with this as well. So if you have not got the product as it is, so you can give the 1 star rating or you can add written review. So I have added the different reviews, some so genuine product, fast delivery, and the fast seller response. So you can select any of the services that you have checked. So now click on the submit again and your second review will also be submitted. So in this way you can get and complete the product reviews to help other customers how to purchase the product. If the product is not accurate, your review will help the next customer to decide to buy the product from the seller or not, because once I ordered the product I was not get the product as it is. So I have given the 1 star review, so it will help other customer to find that the product is not good. But in this case I have ordered the product as it is. So now I am giving the 5 star review. So you can see complete more reviews. Now we're just fast completing the reviews because I have ordered the product all four uh, when there was a sale. So all of the products were good. So you can write any of the text that you want. So simply I have submitted all of the reviews, and in this will submit the. So you can write any of the review or the text that you want. So simply I am submitting. So in this way I have submitted all of my reviews, and so I'm simply clicking on the check my reviews options, and you can see that I have submitted all of the reviews. Once the review will be leave, people will be seeing these reviews and it will help them to decide better. So thank you for watching.